It's time now to check on the broad bean pods. I don't want them to stay too long on the plants because the black flies might attack them. You press them, and if they are firm enough, then you can pick them. So we are going to enjoy green broad bean. It's a big one. All these are firm ones. Let's have a look. So we are going to prepare this. Yeah, they are really firm and green. Look at that, firm and green. The pods are in a cluster, and they are still tender, so I won't pick the tender ones. We have more here. We are going to throw this into our soup. We have quite enough for the soup. We have a cupful of beans. After washing the beans, just pour them in the pot, in the gravy pot. Let it simmer for some minutes. The bean soup is ready. We give this a taste. The beans are so nice. They are soft and tender. Well spiced.